Our cereal drive and cereal domino run really started because a handful of teachers saw a viral video on Facebook and said, could we do this here? And we said yes. So the project started with a cereal drive donation for preschool through our 8th grade families. Pretty quickly, the curricular ties came in and it became obvious there's a great connection here to our Earth Day commitment too.
So for Earth Day this year, the 8th grade made a pledge to recycle grocery store bags because they cannot be recycled with other kinds of recyclables. The response has been amazing, and today we were even able to use them to bag up the cereals that we collected for the food drive. So it's a win-win.
From there, the 4th graders went even further and wrote a grant to Kroger. We got $500 to put even more cereal into the Domino Run.
We had many different letters and then we combined them and sent it to Kroger. And we had to do the math of how many boxes we could buy with the money that they sent us. That was around 200 to 300 boxes. I'm excited to see it go all the way around and to see how wonderful it looks. Thank you, Kroger! Last box.
Thanks for your help. To make this happen, we could not have done it without our fabulous Orchard families and community. We have over 800, in fact, 801 boxes of cereal to donate to Crooked Creek Food Pantry. We couldn't have done it without you, Orchard.